Good medical morning. This is Watson from World's Greatest Medical and the Blackhead King channels. Today we're going to look at some of the best microscope pops while I tell you a little bit about our channel called Dermatology Under the Microscope. Originally titled Blackheads Under the Microscope, we started in 2014 when Adam, the Blackhead King, bought himself a high-powered USB microscope. His inspiration was YouTube's Russ Handstring, the granddaddy of grease. At first, Adam started posting single pops and sharing them on Reddit, but the fans wanted more details and more educational content. Eventually, we teamed up, and now we give detailed looks at various medical and dermatological conditions. We put topics like tonsil stones and ingrown hair under the microscope. We recently hit 100 million views on the channel, and we wanted to say thank you. Our goal for the next 100 million views is to get more subscribers and be more engaging with viewers. So feel free to ask us questions and interact with us. We really want to grow the community. How can we be more in sync with our viewers? So leave us a comment below. We'll never have a presence like Dr. Sandra Lee, but we would like to show our love and support for our community. So please subscribe and comment on the videos. On a side note, we don't really make advertising money on these channels. We do it because we like to entertain, educate, and make friends. So if you do want to support us, please consider picking up some pimple popping tools from the link below. Thanks again for all the support, and we love every one of you. See you next time.
Hey guys, my name is Melissa, and I just wanted to give you a review on Thinergy. Just want to say I use it as my pre-workout, and I'm loving my results. I don't crash like I normally do, and I have plenty of energy towards the end of the day. I feel amazing, and I lost 15 pounds so far.
Act now and start burning fat immediately. Coupled with diet and exercise, Thinergy is the fastest, best way to meet your weight loss goals.